Hello again. Well, it's the Monday morning of the second week, and the first job of the day is to cycle down with Nikki to a course taking the bedclothes to the launderette. Well, there we go. Got the bikes loaded up with the laundry, ready for the off. A little bit of light drizzle this morning. Ah, there's the launderette. Okay, well, this is a bit weird. There's nobody here. There's a sign here that says service wash, and you can leave stuff on a table here, but if that means we just do it for you and you pay someone when you get that. Strange. Could just wash it myself, I suppose, but it looks like I need £5 in change, so I'm going to have to go somewhere and get that. Of course, none of the banks are open yet. I suppose I'll have to go and buy something small to get some change. Oh man, I've got a £5 note and I have got a £1 coin as well, so if I buy something for under £1, I'll have the right amount of money, but I've just been in Superdrug and I couldn't see anything under £1. There's WH Smith here, that's closed because it's still before 9 o'clock. Even if I go and have a cup of tea, that'll be more than £1, won't it? Maybe there'll be something in Tesco. There we go, bag of cheese and onion crisps. I actually got a £2 coin in the change as well, so I had to ask the lady on the till to change it for £2 coins, because I'm pretty sure those machines aren't going to take a £2 coin. Anyway, back to the launderette. Oh man, we're back in here, look, and someone's nabbed a machine. All the machines are in use. Oh well, luckily, as 2 machines finished, lady came and emptied them, so I was able to bar washing in one and set it going, so now I've got about half an hour. Not used to this launderette business. Well, I'm still going to need change when I go back for the dryer, I guess. So let's find somewhere to have a cup of tea. Right, time to head back and check the washing. Oh, well, that's done, thank goodness. I'll leave that with Nikki while I go off for a bit of a ride. Righto, well the plan now is to have a little bit of a ride out into the New Forest heathland type areas. Maybe see some of the New Forest ponies and such. Well, I've stopped off here for a quick look. This is Buckland Rings, which is the remains of an Iron Age fort, I think. But it's not entirely clear whether you're allowed in here. There's signs that say private drive, but I'm going to have a look anyway. I'm pretty sure I've seen people walking their dogs in here, and I think this is a public bit down here. So I'm going to have a quick look. So this, I believe, is part of the ditch for the Iron Age fort. Quite a nice place, this. We can see here they're quite big earthworks. Must have been quite an important site at one stage. I'm pretty much heading away from the direction I want to be going in, so I've come to the edge of the site now. I'm going to head back and get back on the road. Oh, we're starting to get a few little drops of rain in the air. Hopefully that's not going to continue too much. I had to stop and put the old waterproof on. It's started to come down a bit harder. Never mind, press on, eh? Can't stand wearing waterproof trousers unless it gets really bad, so the old legs are getting a bit of a soaking. Mind you, these trousers dry off pretty quickly. Hopefully these will just be showers. Flipping heck, chaps, what a change in the weather, eh? Well, there we go, we have arrived in the open New Forest heathland, and here are the famous ponies. There's a little foal there, look. Of course, you're not supposed to approach them, feed them or pet them because they get too used to people and coming near the roads, but very nice to see them. Oh, well, right about now I'm starting to question the wisdom of my earlier decision on the waterproof leggings. Well, I found this track which is marked as a cycleway through the woods, and it's actually heading back in the direction of the van, which sounds quite good because I'm pretty soaked and it looks a bit nicer than riding on the road, so I'm going to head up this track, I think. Well, that's better, this is much more pleasant. I know the purpose today was to see the ponies, and we're not going to see any ponies in these woods because they're Forestry Commission and they're fenced off. It's not really part of the common land, so there's no grazing in here. But we have seen some ponies, and it's really wet, so I'm going to head back to the van and see if I can find some lunch on the way. Believe the sun's actually come out again. Mind you, might not be long before another shower, I reckon. I reckon there might be a shop down there. Oh well, slim old pickings in that shop. Their main chiller cabinet is out of action, so the vast majority of the chilled stuff wasn't available. Anyhow, I managed to get some finger rolls and some milk. So I think we've got enough other stuff in the van to make lunch with that anyway. Looks like I got back just right. The rain started to come down. Looks a bit thundery out there. I'm hoping it's going to pass though. It's forecast to be showery during the day till about 4 o'clock. So hopefully it'll be dry by the time we have to bike back with Nikki. Cripes, I am glad I wasn't out cycling in this, eh? Certainly getting to see all weathers this holiday. Yeah, I was thinking this afternoon I might do some airbrushing in the gazebo. I guess it would probably be okay, but yeah, it's tempting just to sit inside if it's like this. We'll see. Well, rather like Paddington, I'm having marmalade sandwiches for lunch. Right, well, it's really cleared up outside now, so I'm going to try and get on with Ray's tractor sign. And I think the first thing to do is to cut out from the main part of the logo that we'd already cut out, the head, and we'll start with the head. Now, using the bits I've already cut out, I want to mask off everything on here apart from the head. Now I'm going to use the the graphite paper to just get a initial layout of probably just the beak and the eye initially. We'll do the rest freehand, I think. Right, I think we're ready to start painting. Right, same thing now with the body of the eagle. Well, there we go, that's it for the moment. Time to go and get Nikki. Well, that's all for now. If you enjoyed it, press like. Subscribe if you want to see some more. And ring the bell to be notified when we upload something new.